And it's really hot today, so this is a great thing to be doing, standing here in the heat.
Yay!
Here's a look at today's outfit of the day. This is what I wore to go do our grocery pickup and shopping. It says Joshua Tree National Park. It reminded me of California, so I thought that was kind of cool. I thought the pretty colors kind of match this skirt that I already have. And yeah, I'm still wearing my wrist brace. My wrist is still killing me. I don't know why. I think that it's probably from where I fell a few weeks ago. So yeah, still wearing that. But yeah, this is the outfit I wore today. And then we had all the problem with the car, the tire. And so yeah, it actually turned out to be a fairly comfortable outfit to wear though. This is why Vaughn and I love the whole slow cooker crock pot thing, because after what was kind of a dreadful day, we have a nice hot pork roast to have for our late lunch. They're so pretty. They make such cute noises. Decided to walk around the garden or the yard. So here's the cucumbers. They're huge now. And then there's green peppers that are over there. And the corn is getting big. Oh, I think this tree has grown even more. Oh yeah, look, Vaughn, it's up to my chin. This was up to my chest, and now it's up to my chin. See? Yeah. This little shoot. And then, oh yeah, I see what you're talking about, the beans. I wonder when the beans are gonna have...
Going right through the boards?
Yeah, I wonder when they're gonna have beans on them. I actually have...
Maybe we can get some sticks and make...
And the corn goes all the way down. I think this is one of the prettiest packages that I have ever seen. How beautiful is this cute pink bag from Thimlux? So this is a really pleasant bit of blogger mail that I received yesterday, and I hadn't had a chance to open it yet, but this bag is just so cute. I love it. The little diamonds and this beautiful shade of pink. Here's a look at today's outfit of the day. It's this really beautiful peachy pink dress that I got from Shein. It is so pretty. And then I also broke out these new slippers that I've had for a long time. I hadn't gotten around to using them, but now that I have my room all nicely done, I'm gonna enjoy using those. And I'm wearing this pair of earrings that, let's see, it comes with a necklace that I also bought from Roses, and then this necklace here is thrifted. For today's project, I'm going to be painting this room divider white. So I think it'll go better with my room and decor if it were white. So it wasn't my intention to go for a shabby chic look, but now that it looks like this, I think I might actually leave it like this for a while and see how I like it. It's kind of interesting because yeah, it's going to take a lot of work to like get into every little groove if I do it completely white. And I'm thinking spray paint probably would have been a better option anyway. Here's a look at today's casual outfit for being around the house. I have this little skirt here and this print top that I bought several in different prints like this from the fashion district in LA back when I was still in California. You can see behind me is my flower wall thing. I'm going to start using that for pictures. Like it'll have to be more like close-ups and things like that, but that's going to be fun. And then yeah, I have these green earrings that kind of match the whole green and the blouse and in the skirt. We had a bad storm and look what happened to all of my corn. Well, not all of it, but still a good portion of it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to save it. Here's a little craft project for today, a little DIY project. I'm going to spray paint this vintage fan. It's like a decorative wall fan. I'm going to spray paint it with a rose gold spray paint, so hopefully it will turn out beautifully. I'm going to be using Rust-Oleum in rose gold. And this was like $4 at Walmart, I think. And that only took a couple minutes. Here is the after. I was just taking pictures in this beautiful dress from Stalwy. It has a mix of prints, so the sleeve is a lot like a brighter shade of red, and then the rest of it is like this peachy color, and then it has these birds on it, and it's really long, but what is cool is you could actually take it and cut it off like right under here if you wanted, and it would be more like a midi length, I guess. You could even cut the sleeves off because it has like a little ruffle right there. And this is very open right here, but I'm thinking I'm going to take it up, just stitch it up a few places right there, and it'll be a lot more comfortable for me to wear for every day. But yeah, I think this is just stunning. Here's my outfit of the day for around the house. I'm wearing this pretty dress that I thrifted, and my brace is still on. I went to the doctor Wednesday, I believe, because I had like some severe pain in my wrist in the middle of the night, and it was time to actually go seek help. And they said it is either gout, which I thought only people a lot older than me had, or tendinitis. So they did some blood work and they did some x-rays, and they did say that maybe it looked a little bit like it had some like a little bit of irritation or something like that. So perhaps tendinitis, I don't know. But I was prescribed prednisone, which has some pretty scary sounding side effects. But anyway, I've taken that for like 2 or 3 days now and haven't experienced anything that bad. So that's good. But yeah, so last night was the first night that I was actually able to brush my own hair and put it up in a bun on top of my head, but I haven't washed it in like a week, so it's pretty frizzy and stuff like that. But I was excited just to be able to actually brush my hair and put it up on my head again, because the rest of the time Vaughn had been braiding it for me. I had to brush it with one hand and then he would braid it for me because he couldn't like do like the bun that I do, and I did not want it to be in the way, and I just wanted to have it out of the way and not be a problem while I was dealing with the whole hand issue. So yeah, this started hurting like 2 months ago maybe, and when I used the roller to fix the floor, like the paint roller, to fix the floor and the walls and stuff like that, I remember I had pain when I did that with a living room painting job too. So apparently using that is just something that irritates that wrist. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that in the future. But yeah, I haven't really been dressing up or doing anything for like a week or so now while I've been trying to recover from this. But yeah, I can take this off tomorrow. I was supposed to leave it on for 5 days, so I can take it off tomorrow. I'm still looking forward to like washing my hair and getting things a little bit back to normal. But I feel a little bit more normal today wearing a pretty dress and putting on makeup and all that stuff. So yeah, that's a little update on what's been going on in my life.